What's up, guys? I'm having a good day today. I'm stoked. I just found out that I got invited already to the second part of the interview, meaning I am one step closer to potentially being employed. And after my first interview in 5 years, I'm like shit is turning out better than I expected, because honestly, I had no expectations. I hate expectations at this point. They always short you. I don't know if this is your guys' experience, but if you set your expectations high...
It's an urban legend that never happened. No way.
So yeah, I had no idea what was gonna come. I didn't even want to think what they were thinking of me. I just knew it went well, and I was like, what happens next happens. And boom, bro. Now I'm going back into the interview, and it's in my favorite outfit. They told me the attire, it's all black. I got plenty of all black clothes, so I'm set. I don't even need to go to Kohl's to get a new outfit. I can just walk in there in my natural state.
I know now the next question. Knowing you, being the interviewer that you are, digging in deep all the time.
So basically the way it's gonna go is they want me to film a video, kind of like a demo, and just demonstrate my skills.
Can anyone catch Milangeni? Oh, maybe somebody can! Is that our cameraman? He's matching him stride for stride! He's run the whole race with that camera on his shoulder! Just incredible!
And for that reason, dude, I am not only confident, but I am completely calm. I feel like I'm hitting this at the right time. I've been filming every day for 42 days now, editing at least, actually filming for the past 150 days. So I feel like I am well seasoned, well prepared. I am like going into Hell's Kitchen if I'm Gordon Ramsay.
That is fucking pink!
Yeah, I just feel... I got it, dude. Like, I've been doing this. I've been prepared. So I'm stoked. And honestly, I was thinking about all this today because I saw a quote that I want to read for you guys. I think it's funny. I think it's true. And it's by John Lennon, one of the best. So here it goes. Life is what happens while you are busy making other plans. And that is honest to God the truth, bro. You can have all these ideas about how things are gonna go. You can have your whole life planned out by the time you're 16. And then you know what happens?
We fucking wasted the most expensive part!
Life fucking happens. That plan you had, boop, you can kick that shit.
Raw fish!
There is 10 billion reasons why it might not go the way you expected. And that's obviously what happened to me, dude. If you had asked me 5 years ago, Preston, where would you be right now? I'd be like, none of that shit happened, bro. I am struggling, single, living as far from the Midwest as possible. And I'm like, dude, you know what? At this age, 28, it doesn't even bother me as much anymore. I think, yeah, back then, 23, you'd tell me, no, dude, you're actually basically a bum.
That's what he is, a bum.
I would have been like, get the fuck out of here, stop talking to me. But now I'm kind of like, dude, you know what? Half of that is because of me, and half of that is because it's just what happened. Like, I could blame it on a billion things. COVID, depression, whatever it may be. Or I could also take accountability for a billion reasons.
What up, motherfucker?
What up, motherfucker?
Nothing, smoking weed every day and not having a job.
Whether it's a mix of the two or one of the two doesn't even matter. It's not useful to think of that. You just have to accept what happened and go forward. And for today, bro, that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm like, fuck all the bad shit that happened. Some good stuff is happening to me. I'm focused on that. I'm gonna film my video. I'm gonna go to this interview and I'm gonna have a good time no matter what happens after either. That's my mindset today, dude. And I am feeling great, baby. Second round interview, let's go, bro.